Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Of course. I can hear you properly. Okay, how are you?
Fine.
Hello? Miss Huyen?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Oh, I can hear you.
See start video. Okay lah.
Okay. Okay now? Okay, okay now?
Okay, ready now.
Okay, how are you?
Uh, I'm very good.
Okay. Okay, that's good to hear. Okay. So next week we don't have class in school. So you can have classes in the morning if you want with me. Because I don't have classes in school. It's summer already in my country. So we have 2 months summer. So we don't have to go to schools. Okay? So if
That
you yes.
that my children also start having some more holiday. Some more holiday.
Uh-huh.
That my children start having the summer holiday from today.
Ah, okay. So it's summer also in your country.
That
Summer. Ah, okay. The same in my
no,
country.
that there are two months for summer holiday in my country.
Ah, okay, the same. 2 months summer holiday in my country too. So, Miss Uyen, we can maybe have class in the morning. So there's no problem with me. Okay? If you want, we can have class in the morning. Or is it okay? Okay for you?
That is it
Yes.
okay for me?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, you tell me, huh? Maybe Wednesday. Okay, Thursday we can have class. Okay, no problem with me. Okay? Okay, the last time I am so busy because of revisions, end of classes. Okay, so for today, let us continue our developing. How was your truth? Okay?
Okay, I go to hospital to have a test with my doctor, and one thing is okay.
Mhm.
Everything is okay.
Wow, that's good. Good to hear that you're okay. You're finally
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay, I will share to
I
you
need
the
to
screen.
I need to test the sun's three. I need go to hospital for checking 3 month 3 month no one 3 months
Ah,
1 time 3 months.
okay. Wait me, ha. I will. Puni dali Jillian. Ah, wait, Miss Wayne. Okay. So I will share to you the screen for now. Mhm.
Uh, if you don't send me you still don't send me today's lesson.
Okay, can you hear me, Miss Huyen?
That I can hear you. And
Okay, very good.
now we can start today's lessons.
Okay. So
But
how are we done with describing people? Not yet. Not yet. This one. Okay. So, Miss Wien, my plan, after all the developmental activity, we're gonna touch another activity. So, we're gonna use another activity after this, okay? So, after
Yeah.
this, we will gonna use another activity. After all the lessons in the developing, we have to finish all the lessons so you can speak more, okay? Okay, so here. So, our topic is describing people, okay?
Foreign people be able to category to describe people.
People. Okay, so please read the vocabulary.
Young,
Young,
old,
old,
old, middle age,
middle
middle age,
ages. Correct. Ages, ages.
middle ages,
Correct.
ages,
Mm-hmm.
middle ages. In her his 20s, in her his 20s.
Correct.
Uh,
Okay.
he knee high to a glass of her.
Knee high to a
Grasshopper.
grasshopper. Okay, correct.
Knee high to a grasshopper.
Okay, next one.
No spring chicken.
No spring chicken. Correct.
Over the hill.
Over the hill. Okay, correct.
Deep egg.
It's ripe, ripe, ripe.
Egg.
Oh, ripe old age. Okay, very good. Ripe. Okay. Do you know the meaning for Vietnamese? There are Vietnamese here. Vietnamese translations. Okay, next one. Okay, this one, please.
Thin.
Thin. Miss Huyen. Thin.
Thin.
Okay, thin. Thin.
Thin.
Okay,
Thin.
correct. Correct.
Slim.
Slim.
Well built.
Okay, well, belt.
Built.
Belt.
Built.
Correct.
Well built. Muscular. Muscular. Fat.
Fat.
Overweight.
Overweight.
Overweight. Overweight. Obese.
Obese.
Obese. Stocky.
Stocky.
Stocky. Stout.
Stout.
Stout. Fit.
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 Okay, and
Frail.
frail. Frail.
Frail.
Okay. Okay, again, one more, please. One more.
Thin.
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 Slim.
Well built.
Well built.
Well built. Muscular.
Muscular.
Muscular. Fat.
Fat.
Overweight.
Overweight.
Obese.
Obese.
Stocky.
Stocky. Stout.
Stout.
Stout. And
Fit.
fit. Very good.
Frail.
Frail. Okay, another one, we have the word
Tall.
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 Okay. Yes.
Fat. Soft. Medium and average height.
Okay, tall, tallish, short, shortest,
shortest, medium, average height.
Okay. Tall, it means tall. Tallish, short,
Tall.
shortest,
Tallish.
shortish.
Shortest.
Correct.
Medium, average height.
Height, it's height. Height. Miss Huyen, height.
Height.
Okay, correct. Very good.
Height.
Okay, this one. Another one. Many vocabulary. We have the word
Hair. Blunt.
blonde. Okay, correct. Blonde. Next.
Dyed.
Dyed. Correct. Next.
Ginger.
Ginger. Okay, correct.
Straight.
Straight. Correct.
Curly.
Curly. Correct.
Curly.
Mm-hmm.
Bald. Bald.
Bald. Mm-hmm.
Bald.
Mm-hmm.
With black.
With plates. Correct.
Ponytail.
Ponytail. Okay, ponytail. Correct. Okay, very good. Ponytail. Yay, great job. Okay. Ponytail. Correct. Oval. Oval. Val. Correct. Miss Huyan. Oval. Oval. Okay, val. Okay. Round. Round. Square. Triangle. Long. Long. Okay. Okay, here we have general description. Okay, can you read? General.
Handsome. General description.
Descriptions. Description. Correct. Okay.
General
Handsome.
description. Handsome. Manly. Beautiful. Pretty. Stunning. Attractive.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Good looking.
Good looking. Plain.
Ugly.
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 Okay. Hot. Okay, so here. Miss Huyen, please listen for listening test. Please listen and tell me what you can hear. We have questions later. Okay, and we will also read the script.
Could you describe your parents for me?
My dad is like this tall. He has already white hair, big ears, and is very handsome. And my mom is a little smaller than me, and she has black straight hair and is very beautiful and has big blue eyes.
Could you tell me what one of your brothers looks like?
Looks like me a little bit. The other one looks more like my mother.
Could you describe them a little bit? Their hair, their eyes?
They both have black hair and brown eyes, just like me.
Now, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
So is he a handsome guy?
I would think so, yes. I think he's very handsome, but he's my brother, so.
And how about your sisters? Are they pretty?
I say they're pretty.
Okay. So what do you think, Miss Huyen, they are talking about?
Talking about description their parents.
Okay, they are talking about their parents, their family descriptions. Okay.
And they just don't show tall, white hair, big eyes, handsome, straight hair, beautiful, brown eyes, handsome, pretty. Okay,
Okay, so they're talking about adjectives. When you try to describe, these are adjectives. Now, for you to understand more, let us read. I am the host and you are Jessica and Martin, okay? Okay. Could you describe your parents for me, Jessica?
Okay. And my dad is light, the tone, and he had already white hair, big ears, and he is very handsome. And my mom is a little smaller than me, and she had a black, straight hair, and it's very beautiful. Have the big blue eyes.
Okay, correct. Okay. Could you tell me what one of your brother looks like, Martin?
Look like me a little bit. And the other one looks more like my mother. And after you,
Mm-hmm. How could you describe them a little bit? Their hair, their eyes.
and they both have black hair and brown eyes, just like me.
Okay. Now, do you have any siblings, Angelique?
Uh, yes, I have an older brother.
So he's handsome guy?
I would think so. I would think so. That I think he's very handsome, and he's my brother.
And how about your sisters? Are they pretty, Angelique?
Uh, I say they are pretty.
Okay. So who are the three people being interviewed? Who are the three people being interviewed?
Um, they three, they there are there are four, no, there are three people. Three people for interview
Mm-hmm.
interview for interviewing,
Yeah.
right?
There are three people being interviewed.
Being interviewed.
Oh, who
That
are they? Who are they?
who they are Jessica, Martin, and Abigail.
Okay, very good. Jessica, Martin, and
Okay,
Angelique. Okay, Martin and
Abigail.
Angelique. Okay, they have different descriptions of their family. Okay. So here, Angelique
Mark,
said, does Angelique has a
Angelique.
brother?
Um, no, they have a uh older brother. They have an older brother, and also had a sisters.
They have also sisters, Angelique. Okay, how about first one here? How about Jessica? How Jessica describe his dad?
Let's have this right. Let's get right his dad and her mother, and her dad had a white hair, big big ears, and very handsome. And her mom her mom is a little smaller than her, and she had a black face, hair, and very beautiful. She also had a big blue eyes.
Mm, okay. She has also a big blue eyes. Okay. So
Blue
here the
eyes.
task. Oh, she has also the big blue eyes. Okay, let us answer the question number 1. What are the interviewer talking about?
Uh,
The
the
host.
interviewer is talking about um talk, talking about yeah, in talking about
Mm,
description of some people
correct.
the parents.
Okay, correct. Description of some people or family. How does Jessica's mother look like?
That's the mother. Jessica mother. Jessica mother had a straight um straight hair, She also has the big blue eyes, the big blue eye, and look like Jessica and very beautiful.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so Jessica. Okay, do Martin, Miss Huyan, brothers look like him?
No,
Okay, it's
no.
different. Okay, they are different. Okay. So, but there are the eyes, maybe they have the same in common, but it's not all. It's not all. Does Angelique have any siblings?
Uh, Anthony had true that Angelique. No, Angelique had a sleeping an older brothers and sisters.
Okay, so Angelique have many siblings, like brothers and sisters. How does Angelique looks like? If you will check, and do you remember Angelique in the picture?
Then
Yeah. Can you describe Miss Hui and Angelique?
Angela's older brother is very handsome. Is very handsome.
Hmm.
Is very handsome.
Okay, how
Uh,
about Angelique? Can you describe Angelique herself?
Angela, I don't remember, but I think Angela is have a very pretty. Is a very
Okay.
pretty.
Yeah, let us see ha. Let us see. Where is Angelique? Okay,
pretty.
please look at Angelique first. Like Angelique is here.
Could you describe your parents?
Yes,
Ah,
I
that
have
one.
an older brother.
That is Angelique.
So is
Do
he
you
a
remember
handsome guy?
Angelique?
I would think so, yes. I think he's very handsome. But he's my brother, so.
And how about your sisters? Are they
This is
pretty?
Martin.
I say they're pretty.
Okay. So these are Martin and Angelique. Now, can you describe Angelique? Angelique, ha? Describe Angelique.
Angela had a straight hair, um, black skin, and they have a beautiful smile. She had a beautiful smile.
She has a beautiful smile. Angelique is not white, right? You can see Angelique. Angelique does not have white skin. She is brown. She's brown, right? You can see in the picture. Okay, and Martin is Chinese. I don't know, Chinese or Vietnamese, because the eyes of Martin is like that. Very
That,
chinky. Okay. Now, okay, so here, please describe the people in the picture.
uh, it is, there are two people in this picture. There are two people in these pictures, one girl and one boy. You can see. Let me describe the people in pictures. You can firstly you can see the beauty. There is a beautiful girl in this picture. She had a white hair. She had a white hair with blue eyes, uh, white skin
Okay.
and toaster
Mhm.
and very beautiful snow.
Oh, yes, very handsome.
I actually expressed with her snow. I think she also had a beautiful smile.
Oh, yes, correct. Correct. You think that she has also or he has also a beautiful smile. Do you think the two of them pretty and handsome? Do you think they're pretty and handsome?
Besides that you can see that very handsome boy beside this girl and this girl and he have he is he is very tall. He is very tall with brown eyes with brown eye and a brown hair, blue eyes, and uh, and he also very beautiful snow. And I think he when he smiles, smile, uh, he will attract uh, every girl.
Oh, wow. Okay. So you described the two. Okay. What country do you think they came from? What country do you think they came from, Huyen?
Hmm?
What country do you think they came from?
Um, introduce what introduce?
I mean,
I,
what country? What country they came from? Vietnamese, Philippines, Europe, or where?
I think you mean where are they from, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. What country? What country they came from?
What countries?
What country?
What country? I think England.
Yeah, correct. Okay, they are England. Okay. How do you know, Miss Huyan, that they came from England? How did you know?
Hmm?
How did you know that they came from England? How did you know?
Because she have a beautiful nose with white with white skin. Uh,
Uh,
that and in Asia especially Vietnamese, Philippines, we also we also don't we also don't have a white skin white skin and and we we have a black hair.
yes, black hair. Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, okay. So but Vietnamese, you are
They have a
uh
yellow hair.
okay,
Mm.
they have blonde. That is what they call blonde hair.
Blonde,
Blonde
blonde
hair.
hair.
Okay. So,
Yes,
Miss Huyen, oh, Vietnamese are white. You have white skin. You have fair skin.
that
Yeah, you have
that
fair
um,
skin.
that that there are many people that have a white skin in my country,
Yeah, many.
but I think that their skin is not white than England.
Okay, yeah, of course. Yeah, it's different. Okay. But look at them, very
They
white.
are different.
They have
That
blue eyes. They have blue eyes.
it has really blue eye. Sometimes we don't have a blue eye in my there are not blue eyes people in my country.
Yes, yeah, I understand. They have blue eyes. Okay. Next one. Okay, describe what you can see in the picture.
You can I think you can see that a queen that is a queen in England.
Yeah, queen in
Yeah,
England. How did you know they're queen in
with
England?
this picture, the queen of England is a woman that have a power in her country, had a power uh, in her country. Uh, you can see she like red roses she like wearing red clothes and she also had a see the beautiful woman and she also have a white skin blue eyes blonde hair, and a beautiful nose.
Ah, yes, yeah. Okay. People who live in England is like this. See what you
That,
see?
and I think he's branching that, and I think he is branching something in French,
Mm.
at a church, at a church, a church.
Uh, yeah, look at their skin. They are very white.
Very, very wise.
Yeah,
Church.
very white. Okay, wait, may
She
I
is
see what?
branching that. She is branching
Ah,
something
church.
for own people. Yeah, at a church, at
The
the
church.
local church. That.
Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good description. Okay, this one. Okay. Now, do you like more like your mother? Huyen, when you were a kid, do you like more like your mother or your father?
And I think they this is a family. This is a family with parents with parents come from the other with parents with parents come from different countries,
Hmm.
come from different country. You can see the mother with black hair, and I think she come from she come from Africa.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Africa,
Africa.
and that's Africa, um, and the father comes over Europe, come from Europe.
Okay, yes. Yeah, I can see
When
they
the
are
father comes from
Europe.
Europe, that's Europe, and you can see they have a toy two child children two
Okay,
children.
yes.
They have a
Yeah.
two children.
Okay,
Um,
yes.
they are they they are boys. That they are boys. Uh, and there is a boy like his mother, and the other like his father,
Okay, like his father. The other one,
like his
like
father,
his
like
mother. The other
his
one,
father.
his father.
That
Okay,
and
very
the
good.
other one like her father, her mother.
Okay, correct. Okay, I don't know if this a girl or a boy. Looks like a boy. This one, this one. Okay, looks like a boy. Okay, so they have different nationality. This one. Do you have any brother or sister? And what does he or she looks like?
That no, I have a I have a two older sisters and older brothers. That two and Sido. I don't like anyone. I don't like anyone. I like my grandfather.
Okay, so she likes more than your grandfather. Okay.
That
So, Huyan, how many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have?
I have a two older sisters
Two
and
other sisters.
that's two older sisters and I don't like her. And I don't like them.
Oh, do you have two sisters? Who do you think is prettier, you or your other sister?
That
Who do
and
you think, Miss Huyan, who is prettier? Or the prettiest among the three? You are three. Who is the prettiest? This one.
this
Sorry. Okay, who is the prettiest?
um British no
Oh,
actually
Oh, how about yourselves? You're pretty.
You guys.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I didn't see them. I only see you, but you're pretty. I didn't see
I
them.
think actually, they are not pretty girl, but I think, but I think they have a good looking. They are good looking.
Yeah, they are good looking. Yeah, they are good looking. Okay, they are good looking.
They are they are not British girls, pretty girls, but I think they are good looking.
Okay, so at least they are good looking. So really
Yes,
pretty. They are good looking. Okay.
yes.
How about your brother? Are they handsome? Vietnamese looks?
I think they are not handsome.
They're not handsome.
They are also I think they are also good looking in my family,
Oh,
include me,
including
including
you,
me,
including me,
Mm.
including me.
Including me.
But you are white and your skin is nice and you have beautiful face.
Only me, only me that only me, only me. I have a white hue, and only me in my family that I had a white hue.
Okay, white skin. You have white skin. I can see you have white skin.
That I
Yes.
when I were a child, my skin is very white. It's very
Oh,
white.
really?
That is very white and very beautiful. And I don't know why I have a two child. I have a two children. After I have a two children,
Two
I
children,
think
yes.
that my skin is not too white and normal.
Okay. It changes. When you have family, your color changes.
That
Change. Yeah, but you are still very white.
I think our correlations that I think we are the woman and we are 40 years old and we are 40 years old when we are 40 years old and
Oh,
my correlations my
okay, yeah,
correlation is a come down.
okay, I understand. I understand. I understand, Miss Uyen. So, but I can guess way back before you're very white. When you get married, it's not white, but I guess you have a very nice skin. Your skin is nice.
That
Yeah.
you can see
Yeah. Okay. Now, who is the breadwinner in your family? The breadwinner. Who is the breadwinner in your family? Breadwinner.
breadwinner. Uh,
The one who pay for all, like electricity, water, house, internet, bus.
breadwinner. That I think my husband is breadwinner.
Mm,
Uh, uh, on
okay. So in your family, your
on
husband is the
their
breadwinner.
field on his field. I think my husband is a breadwinner in his field, but I also a breadwinner in my field, and I think we are we are also breadwinner in my family, but we are sharing own thing in our life.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. Okay. Okay, so this one. Another. Describe your family members. Your family members. Your not you. Your family members. Your mom, your dad, your siblings.
That their hobbies there are 4 người. There are 6 people in my family. My parents, 2 older sisters, and 2 our sister, an older brother, and me, and my my uh, my brother and my brothers look like my father, and
Ah,
that look like my father. They are, but my my father is not handsome than my brothers, and they all uh, my father is a short, and my brother is a tall. That
okay.
my
Yes, yes.
brother is tall, and they are also have a black eyes, black hair. They are also have a black eyes, black eyes and black hair, and their skin is not white.
Okay, yes, yes,
And
yes.
my father, even even though my father have a big nose,
Ah!
the, the big nose, and I think it's not beautiful.
But Miss Uyan, your family, I think they're white. They have fair skin.
Um, Only me.
Mm. Okay, yes,
That's the
yes.
only
Okay.
me that have a that had one person in my family that had a skin had a skin white skin is me.
Oh, yeah, really?
that
Really?
that
Oh, but I can see your skin. You have very beautiful
um
skin.
that but as you know, I said you before, I I don't look like everyone is my family.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, I understand.
That I don't look like everyone in my family, and but they are look like together, and
Ah,
they look like together, not they look like together.
together. Mm-mm. And you are
That
different. And you are different.
uh
And you are different.
that and I am different.
Oh, so you are the prettiest. Miss Oyan, you are the prettiest. Okay.
You do you want to see my family pictures?
Yeah, yeah. You
You
send in
can share
Zelo,
you
ha? Please send in Zelo.
that you can share you.
Mm-hmm.
We have a we take a we we have a took this picture state holiday.
Okay.
Wait for
Okay, okay.
10 seconds. I am looking.
Oh, this one I can see. Oh, wow, you have a very nice dress. This is your sister and this is you. Oh, you have a very nice picture, Miss Uyen. Yeah, I understand. You are the prettiest.
When we um when we take the teachers, suddenly their our teeth is become whiter.
Ah, yeah. You are beautiful. Okay, you are the prettiest among all. The prettiest here. How old are you in this picture? How old are you?
How old are you? You can see that's me. Let me send you.
Yeah, I know this is you. I will
That
guess.
you can see
Oh,
the
many.
whole that's all from the old family.
Wow, so many.
That husband, you can see my husband is beside me, and
Ah,
that's beside
your
me
husband
a
is
couple,
handsome.
That
Oh, and where is your children here? Very nice picture.
Winter wife look like chamber and friendly. That
Very
right.
nice one. Very nice.
That you um
You
own
have
people
a big family too.
that own people but own people own people tell me I am a pretty I am a
Yeah.
pretty,
You are the prettiest. Prettiest.
that
So you are the
pretty
prettiest among the three.
that
Yeah, it's very nice pic. Oh, you have a big family. Okay, you have a big family. But among your sisters, you are the prettiest. Wow. Okay, you are the prettiest. Okay, so please read
that
the last one. Please read. Winter White.
that winter white
Mm-hmm.
perfect fun
Mm-hmm.
for
Mm-hmm. Friendly.
that I only know friendly and the other I don't know what is the meaning of these words.
Winter White, it means white. Really white. Very white.
Winter white,
Very white.
winter white is meaning is very white.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Blood
I know.
flecked. Blood
Blood
fleck,
fleck.
it means I don't know. Wait, huh? Okay, what? Oh, blood flecked. It like there is a spotting. Wait me. Blood, the meaning is different here. Ah, wait, blood. Maybe it's different, blood fleck. The meaning for definitions. There is something with your blood. Okay, blood fleck. Something about your blood. Patient's blood basic. Ah, blood flicking, it means the fluid that circulates through your body. It's the blood that circulates through your body. Okay, that's blood flicking. Okay, time worn. Okay, time well passed by. Time worn meaning it means damaged or impaired or made less striking or attractive as time worn faces of the veterans. So it means uh, it becomes old already. The time worn, the faces changes as they become old. Look at them. Okay, this is young and look at them. When you grow older, like our parents, their face changes. They become old, right? Miss Huyen? They become old.
Okay.
Okay. So, Miss Huyen, I will see you, okay, on, okay, you can have Monday. It is up to you. You choose. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It is up to you.
I
Oh,
let me see the but I think not I will not be the next week, and I will inform you later when
okay.
when we have the next when we have the next class.
Okay, so you can have night class, Wednesday, Thursday, or day class, daytime. If you want daytime, okay? You tell me.
I hope now you are data you are free data on the time.
Yes, yes, all the time.
That uh, I also hope we have a class on daytime.
Okay, yeah, daytime. It's okay with me. You tell me, ha?
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for the class today. Thank you for the
Okay.
class today.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Miss Uyen.
And wait for a second.
Okay, yeah.
Look like look like this lesson already been sent me, and you don't know send me again.
Okay, I will send this lesson for you today.
Uh,
Okay. Yes. Thank
mm,
you.
bring that please send me the next lesson in
Okay,
advance.
yeah, sure. Okay. I will send you today lesson and Wednesday's lesson. Wednesday. We will meet Wednesday.
Okay,
Okay. Sure. Okay. I will send it to you after this one. Okay. Bye, Miss Uyen. Thank you so much.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Yes, correct. The same with you. Have a nice weekend.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.